Hello, class. I'm here to talk about the last problem assigned for chapter 12, which is problem 70. And it's saying how a grassroots group opposed to a proposed increase in gas tax, claiming that the increase will hurt the working class people the most since they say they drive the most to work. So suppose that they uh, group randomly surveyed 24 individuals from middle income, wealthy, and working class, and they put the results below. So they want us to test at a 5% significance level or alpha the hypothesis that the three mean commuting mileage are the same. Remember, for ANOVA, we're going to assume that mean 1 is going to be about the same as mean 2, which is going to be about the same as mean 3. Well, we have three uh, groups over here. So in the second, and the alternative is mean 1 is going to be, I'm just going to put different. I'm not going to put the symbol to not waste time. It could be different from the mean 2. That could be different from mean 3. At least one needs to be different for this to apply, to remain. Okay. I want to also you uh, go ahead and state these values over here. Give me your conclusion. Why? You're probably going to see something very alike on your final exam. So I just want to make sure you have all the information you need. So let's just go ahead and use data analysis. And we're going to leave it on NOVA single factor. Do OK. Your input range, it's going to be your table with all three classes. They are again in columns and not rows. You have labels: working, professional, middle, professional, wealthy. It's a 5% significance level right here. And let's just put your output range over here. That's fine. Do OK. So we pretty much have all the values you need over here. Without going any further, if I would ask you whether you would accept or reject it, the means are about the same. Well, if you look over here at a 9 and then a 3, so your F statistics is actually higher than your F critical, so you would reject. In this case, you would reject and you would conclude that they are actually different. They are not about the same. So let's just start. Your F statistics, like I just said, is over here. Your F critical is over here, which is going to be enough for you to get your conclusion. Your alpha, what is your alpha? Is 0.05, correct? So let's just go ahead and put 0.05. My p-value, if you would use that approach, well, you had 5%, and here you have not even 1%. You actually have, let me show you like this to make it easier. You have a 0.14%. So definitely your alpha is higher than your p-value, or your p-value is smaller. So again, you reject. That would be the same conclusion, right? So your decision, reject HO. And over here, you can conclude that there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean commuting mileage for working class, middle income, professional, and wealthy professional are different. And you would be done with problem 70, actually not 74, okay? And if I would ask you the SS between, SS within, degrees freedom numerator, degrees freedom, yeah, that's right, degrees freedom numerator, degrees freedom denominator, MS between, MS within, F statistics, P value, and the F critical, the average for each group, the variance for each group, the sum for each group. So you would be able to answer all this on your final exam. And we are done with chapter 12. And next week, last week, chapter 13, which is a great subject, which is linear regression, in which you are going to be using for the second portion of statistics if you are require or planning to take the second portion. Thank you.